Well, hey there, hot stuff. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be tackling the half-roll cage that I built, fabricated, and installed in the world's first center driver's seat Volkswagen Golf Mark IV. First, we started with the spreader plates. So let's get into it. Took me a little bit to get the settings dialed in, and it is popping still pretty good. But not too bad. I think it's a little high. I think I'm going a little fast. So I'm gonna try to slow it down for the other side. That one, of course, my finger. That one, whoop, that's chunky. That one is pretty good, and so is that one. I'll show it after, though. Finished welding up this today, or I finished welding up this today. Now, finally get it in here. Very hot still. Oh, very hot right there. All right. Just gotta hammer it up in place. And this is what I got so far. Got it tacked in down there and fully welded up. Well, the cage part is fully welded up. Welds are not too great, but hey, they're strong and they'll hold. After way too many days, the cage is finally fully fabricated and welded in the car. Don't come for me too hard in the comments for the welds, but hey, they're nice, they're strong, they're just ugly, and that's fine. Same as your sister. But now, I'm going to clean it up some more. I just wire wheeled all the welds and all the main parts of the cage. I'm going to go ahead, clean it up with some alcohol, and then I'm going to throw some filler primer all over it, just so it doesn't rust. And then tomorrow, I'll finally paint it. I'm going to be painting it sail blue, which is the same color as the engine bay is currently, but that is going to be the actual color of the entire car later on. So right now, I'm just going to get it cleaned up, and let's get some primer on it. And this right here, this is why you clean it, even after you clean it. This was a perfectly clean white shirt. Now it's not. Anyways, I didn't mean to throw that in there. Got the filler primer. Ready to go, baby. I'll be closing doors as I get to the area so I can minimize wind blowing shit in there. All right. It's not bad. Got some runs here and some runs up there because I went a little heavy, but that's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah. It's looking good, though. That homemade backyard vibe with them welds. But hey, like I said, they strong, baby. Now I just gotta wait for this to dry and wait for my delivery to come in from Amazon because they screwed me and it was supposed to be in today, but it won't arrive until tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and then I can finally get this painted up. Got the spreader plates all painted up black with some rust inhibitor spray paint so I can keep them from rusting. Now I'm going to paint the roll cage. It's going to be sail blue, just like the engine bay was, and the car will be after it gets completely painted. So stay tuned for that. one coat down, and dare I say, I love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Oh, yeah. Look at that shit. Ooh, yeah. Some fancy camera work, you know. Alright, sorry, that's enough of that. Hell yeah, that looks good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to do a little sanding because I got a couple drips here and there. There's one there. You probably can't see it on the camera. And a couple of little other spots here and there. And then, after I wet sand it, I'll throw another coat on it. And then, I'm going to paint the floor. And what I decided to do for the floor was a rubberized coating. It'll help hide any kind of little imperfections here and there. And also give it a nice textured grip for when I'm getting in and out of the car. And I think that'll be awesome. And I think it'll look cool. So I'll be back tomorrow after this dries. We get that taken care of. As you saw, I painted the floor. I finally did the back a little bit as well. And up onto the spreader plates that are holding the backstays on. Got the pedals in. Got the support bar for the dash in as well. Shifters in. Seat is in. Harness is in. I mean, basically the reason I was doing the harness or the roll cage was for the harness. Well, partly anyways. So that'll be the end of this video. If you want to see more on this, you know what to do. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as always, let's freaking go, dude. Hell yeah.